Good morning, friends. Hope all of you are doing well. I'm here once again to be with you and to connect you with life because life is beautiful, isn't it? All of us wish to have inner peace, enjoy pleasant moments, and be happy. But circumstances are not always within our control because we experience negative thoughts and negative emotions in many situations. It is not always easy to stay positive in life. Remember, we can always control our thoughts in our minds. It is within our capability to cultivate positive mindset in spite of negative situations. Once there was a bunch of tiny frogs who arranged a running competition. The goal was to reach the top of a very high mountain. A big crowd had gathered around the tower to see the race and to cheer on the contestants. The race began. Honestly, no one in the crowd believed that the tiny frogs would reach the top of the tower. There were many statements such as, "Oh, way too difficult. They will never make it to the top. Not a chance that they will succeed. The tower is too high." The tiny frogs began collapsing one by one, except for those who, in a fresh tempo, were climbing higher and higher. The crowd continued yelling and cheering. "It is too difficult. No one will make it." More tiny frogs tired and gave up, except one who continued higher and higher and wouldn't give up. At the end, everyone else had given up except for the one. This tiny frog, after a much effort, was able to reach the top of the tower. Then all the other tiny frogs naturally wanted to know how this one could make up and do this and reach the goal. One of them asked, "How did you manage and how did you succeed and got the strength to reach your goal?" And do you know what the answer was? The winner was deaf. My friends, the wisdom of the story is never listen to other people's tendencies to be pessimistic or negative, because they take your most wonderful dreams and wishes away from you. The ones you have in your heart. Always think of the power words, because everything that you hear and read will affect your actions. Therefore, always be positive. And a power, be deaf when people tell you that you cannot fulfill your dreams. Always think, "I can do this." Positive attitude is the best attitude. St. Paul, in his letter to the Romans, chapter 12, verse 2 says, "Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind, and then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is good, pleasing, and perfect will." Positive thinking can bring about positive emotions and positive experiences. Having a positive attitude is rejuvenating to both the mind and the body. My friends, life is beautiful. Be positive and stay positive. Good luck. God bless you.